right, kids. Grab your brushes and let's save the sparkliest smiles ever.
Welcome, Tooth Heroes! Are you ready for your next sparkling mission?
Oh no! We have some uninvited guests. These tiny sugar bugs love sweets and they're making a mess in your mouth.
But don't worry. First, just a tiny squeeze of toothpaste.
But wait! Our brushing heroes are here, and they've brought their whole team to save the day!
First, the mighty brush.
And for those tricky spots, we have the amazing floss and the little space cleaner. They get into all the tiny places the brush can't reach.
Brush them all, front, back, and the top. Be gentle, move in circles, and shoo those bugs away.
Toothpaste, the size of a little pea.
Great job, heroes! You're experts at protecting your smile.
See you tomorrow for your next mission.
Remember the rule, twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. That's how you keep your teeth strong like pearls.
Fantastic job, Tooth Heroes! You're true champions at protecting your smile. See you tomorrow for your next sparkling mission.